You guys, I got them. I got some of the H&M and Mugler collaboration pieces. I was the first 25 people to go into the Century City Mall today, and let's unbox and see what I got. Okay, I took off my top because I realized everything I bought was black. So first piece I got was this corset, must have with all the mesh panels. Obsessed, love the sturdy boning. And I got an extra small. It's $129. I'm gonna try on everything later. I wanna show you what I got first, and of course in terms of sizing. Number two, I got this mesh panel dress. This one is only $99, which is such a steal. And I got it in size extra small because it fits me a lot better than the extra small because it's very stretchy and has a lot of give. Obsessed with this Mugler detail, have to have it. Number three, I'm sure you guys have seen this and you're wondering what the heck is that? It is kind of like a glove top with a Mugler detail. I have to put it on because it looks super strange right now. And this one is, of course, a size extra small, and it's $64.99. Then I got this super cute skirt. I was going to get size 0, and unfortunately they don't have size 0 anymore, but I realized after trying it on, it is super short. It's gonna show. So I ended up buying a size 2, and this is also $129. And I am going to put them all on for you and see how I style them. The first one, it's the dress. It's a sheer panel dress. This is extra small. I want it to be really form-fitting, really snatched, as all Mugler pieces should be. We're staying true to their essence. It's really flattering. Yeah, I mean, I absolutely love it. Fits like a glove. Love the little Mugler detail. There we go. Okay, look number one. Just a plain old black dress. So this is the second outfit. As you can see, I have all 3 pieces on. This is the glove in extra small with the Mugler lettering. I love it. This is the corset. It sucks everything in. It makes you look like you have the smallest waist possible. And then this is the size 2 skirt that I bought in lieu of the size 0, because the size 2, instead of here, it sits a little bit lower on my hip bone, so it doesn't look as short as the size 0. And this is the full look for number 2. Let me know which look you prefer. Look number 1, which is a simple black dress, or look number 2, which is a little bit more avant-garde. And also I have online orders coming in, which I will be doing another unboxing and haul and try on, so stay tuned for that.